वेलकम जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे एनडीए एसएसबी एंट्री में फीमेल मॉक इंटरव्यू। सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में एनडीए एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रही सभी फीमेल एस्पिरेंट्स का मॉक इंटरव्यू इसी प्रकार से लिया गया है। आज के इस डेमो मॉक इंटरव्यू से आप समझ पाएंगे कि एनडीए एसएसबी में फीमेल एंट्री के लिए किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं, और साथ ही साथ में इस वीडियो में आपको डीब्रीफ भी देखने को मिलेगा इस पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट का, जिससे आपको आइडिया होगा कि इस कैंडिडेट के एरियाज ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट्स क्या रहे। साथ ही साथ में ये वीडियो डिपिक्ट करती है द गाइडेंस जो सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के मेंटर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं टू द एस्पिरेंट्स जो 21 डेज ऑफ एसएसबी प्रोग्राम में एनरोल होते हैं। वॉच द वीडियो। थैंक यू।
Just coming.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. How are you?
Sir, I am fine, sir.
Okay, Sharia, I'll be interacting with you for next 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
You are prepared to communicate in English only. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed your lunch?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sharia, let me know how and how you decided to appear for NDA written examination. How you got to know about National Defense Academy opportunity for female.
Okay.
Let me know how did you prepare for your SSB. Tell me your education qualification is starting from 9th onwards. Tell me how many friends you have made. Let me know about your participation in games, your 3 strengths, your 3 weaknesses. Let me know your hobbies, your interests, and also tell me what is your long-term goal plan in your life.
Okay. So, starting from how I get to know about NDA. So, I get to know about NDA in class 8 only from one of my senior, one of my alumni of my school who is lieutenant. Sir, I got to at that time I got to know about NDA, but at the same time I got to know like NDA is not for girls. Then I'm like then what I next to do means then I decided that I will join Indian Armed Force through CDS entry. But when I in the September month of 2021, I got to know that NDA is open for girls. At that time, I decided that I have to do in that attempt only, because this is only my first and last attempt. So for that I joined academy. So I search about academy. I joined academy for my written exam classes. I joined crash course, sir, and I practices, sir, many mock interviews. I practices many mock tests here.
You have joined offline or online?
Sir, I joined online academy.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, at Centurion Defense Academy, Lucknow. Sir, then after I appeared on the 14th November.
Why you have taken online coaching? Why not you decided to prepare by yourself?
Sir, because this is, sir, my first and last attempt, and I am quite sure that I will qualify the NDA written exam. But I think that there is always better to practice mock tests before the exams, and I have no resources for practicing mock tests. For that only, sir, I joined the academy, and also the guidance of the teachers which motivates me, sir, for that. And so coming to the how I prepared for SSB. So for the preparation of SSB, I increases my number of I increases my focus on my physical activity. Also, sir, I started reading newspaper. Also, I take guidance from my seniors who appeared before for SSB interviews, and so that in that way, sir, I prepared my SSB interview. So coming to my educational qualification, sir, I complete from class 9. Sir, I completed my class 9 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Meerut, sir, because I am studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Aurangabad, but due to migration policy in Navodaya, so I get chance to learn. I get chance to complete my class 9 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Meerut only, UP, sir. Okay. And after in class 10, sir, I completed in through JN Aurangabad only. And in class 10, I got, sir, I got 94.6 percentage. And in class 11, sir, I took responsibilities like many sports captain, house captain. But as well as I completed my educational qualification. I completed my class 12 with 86 percentage, sir. And in class 12, I got 88 percentile, sir. So coming to my friends, I have a large number of friends, sir. The name of my friends is Vaishnavi, Siddhi, Palak, Parul, and Jay, sir. So that's all. My friend Vaishnavi is my best friend, So coming to my strengths, so I am hardworking person. So I am a socially adaptive person, and so I am I'm always I always want to learn new things. So I want to I want to explore myself. That's all are my strength. So I don't think there is any weakness in me, but sir, always there are areas of improvement in me, sir. So for that areas improvement, I want to improve my GK, sir. For that, I read daily newspaper. Also, I discuss the topics. Also, I discuss the incidents which happens in history also with my friends, sir. And also, I want to improve my basketball at the next level, sir. This what I want to improve. And so also, I want to learn new languages. I want to learn new diversities, sir. That's all. So coming to my family, so about my family consists of 6 members, and I have a loving relation with my family members, and so coming to the long-term goals, my long-term goal is to first to join Indian Armed Force and to serve, sir, as far as I can give my best, sir. That's all, sir.
All right, Aishwarya, it is very nice to know that you are very positive, optimistic girl, and you're hardworking as well. Can you give 3 examples that you are hardworking?
So I'm hardworking because, sir, when I entered in my Navodaya school, so I don't know how to hold basketball also. So but this is because of I want to learn this game. So sir, with hard work, I played, I practiced it. I take guidance from my seniors also. So I learn from my friends, and in class 8, sir, I represent my school at national level. So this is the example, I am hardworking. Also in studies also, sir, if anything which through which I am confused, like in any subject or any, I always take help from my friends, family. I never hesitate to ask any questions to anyone. And I also, sir, hardworking. I always want that, like my as per my as like me, my friends also get improved. So for that also, sir, I work hard. Like I motivate them, I guide them.
Okay, Aishwarya, how's your bonding with your sister, as she is pursuing MBBS or she is completed?
Sir, she is in first year now.
Okay, how she decided to go for MBBS, and your career opportunity objective is different, that is to join Indian Air Force. And also tell me why you opted Indian Air Force to join India.
Okay, sir, coming to my sister, sir, my bonding with my sister is very close. I shared each and everything with her. Sir, as the reason why she selected MBBS as her career option, sir, she is like very emotional. She can understand the person well. She she can make a bonding with patient so good. So I think she will make it. And sir, she is very interested in biology also, and for that also, sir, she choose.
You are not having emotions, you are not having sense of empathy.
Sir, I have sense of empathy.
Why you have not followed the path of your elder sister?
So I followed, we both have the same qualities, but I think she is more like me. She is more caring person, as she is elder sister of mine, so she have to take responsibility. She is more responsible.
I think you are also caring, you are also having care, compassion, emotion, quotient, and I think that you are also suitable to pursue higher education in medical field. Do you think so?
No, sir, I don't think, because sir, I am not so much interested in biology, sir, because from childhood I never think about any career beside of armed forces. So for that, sir, I think I will do my best in only armed force, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya, just let me know your 3 more weaknesses that you have.
Sir, as I already told, I don't think there is any weakness in me, but sir, still there are areas of improvement. So I want to learn swimming. Till now I don't know how to swim, so I want to learn sir, how to swim, sir. And also, sir, I want to learn the geography books, sir, because I think the geography is also important. I am interested in history, sir, knowing about the histories, but I think I want to improve on geography, sir.
Still, I am not convinced with the logic you gave that why you preferred to join Air Force and thereby NDA.
Sir, the first thing is, sir, I think that Indian Air Force is a secure career option. Also, sir, I want to become a leading example in my family. Also, sir, because I belong to civilian family, I don't have a defense background, and in my locality also, sir, there is no one who is serving in defense. So for that, sir, I want to be an example. I want to motivate all people by example.
Okay, you haven't answered, Aishwarya, my one question that I asked, that how did you prepare for your SSB interview?
Sir, I answered it. I increases my number of hours of physical exercise also, sir. And also, sir, I started reading newspaper. Means till now I read only Divya Marathi paper. Then I started reading newspapers through online mode, also through offline mode. And
Means
sir,
you want to convey that you haven't joined any professional coaching institute to prepare for your SSB interview.
yes, sir.
Have you joined?
No, sir.
Okay. So you have prepared by yourself.
Yes, sir.
But for written, you have taken guidance through online mode. But for SSB, why you haven't taken any guidance?
Sir, I think that from my teacher, I get to know that SSB is a SSB is a process which they check yourself, they check your personality in SSB. For that, sir.
That's why you haven't taken any
Coaching.
coaching.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you confident about this time? Like you're going to get recommendation?
Yes, sir. I am confident that I am going to get
If
recommendation.
you're not selected, then what is the next plan?
So I am quite sure that I am get selected at this time only.
Okay. Then you're also preparing for some higher education after graduation?
Yes, sir. At VIT Pune.
VIT Pune, what you are preparing?
Sir, BTech.
You're pursuing BTech.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Don't you think that you are also preparing for NDA, you are also pursuing BTech? And there is a contradiction, like you're not confident about NDA, that's why you have joined this BTech option.
No, sir, BTech, sir, I am pursuing BTech because it is my higher education plan. It is not like that. But my career is, I want my career in Indian Armed Forces, sir, but BTech is my higher education plan.
After joining NDA, there is a higher education plan, like NDA offers you to join most meaningful undergraduate program. You can also pursue your higher education through NDA. You will be competent member. Then if you're not confident,
No, sir, that's not thing. I think it is always better to have an option. But this doesn't mean that, sir, I will not get recommendation in NDA exam. But sir, this is my higher education plus. I am quite sure that I will join. And when I join in NDA, then I will do my BTech through NDA, in NDA only.
okay. So why you have preferred to join Air Force only? Do you have some specific logic behind it, like joining Air Force, opting Air Force option? Why not Army? Why not Navy?
Sir, means this is my a personal attraction towards Air Force. Sir, I like the blue uniform.
What sort of attraction?
Sir, like I always from my childhood I attracted towards the aircrafts, and also in my family, sir, my grandfather also wants me. Like they also want me
I'm
to
not
see.
convinced again with your logic, Aishwarya. Like you said that aircraft and this technical equipment that attracts you. Even a kid, even a small child, also get attracted after seeing.
Sir, but Air Force.
The aircraft.
So I think that I can give my best in Indian Air Force.
I'm not convinced with this logic. Tell me other logic that you have, other reasons that you have to, like you have preferred to join Air Force through India.
Sir, I means honestly, sir, I really get attracted. I think that, sir, I analyze myself. I think that I can means it's my dream, sir, to fly an aircraft. For that's the only reason, sir. This is only the real
Okay,
reason.
Shreya. Okay, I acknowledge your genuine aspiration. Now let me know what sort of aircraft you wish to fly.
Sir, I want to fly aircraft, whatever aircraft the Indian Air Force choose for me. Sir, but I will give my best at in whatever aircraft I want to get fly. Yes, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya, so can you tell me the difference between Tejas and Rafale aircraft?
Sir, Tejas is indigenous aircraft. It is made in India only, and the Rafale aircraft it's made in France. So
Any
that's
other difference?
Sir, Rafale is twin engine aircraft, and Tejas is, I think, a single aircraft. So I'm not sure about
Any
this.
other difference?
So I'm at this time I'm
If
not.
India has Tejas, then why there is the requirement of Rafale?
Sir, Rafale is a air superiority aircraft.
Can you just explain some technical specification of Rafale? Are you aware about it?
No, sir. I will definitely learn about it.
Okay, what about helicopters? What about transport aircraft? Are you aware about the three transport aircraft? Can you name three transport aircraft?
Yes, sir. Sir,
They are there in the inventory of Indian Air Force.
what? Sir, the Boeing aircraft. Sir, I at this time I can only recall this one.
Boeing? Just say complete name.
Boeing 227, sir. Or 77.
Any other transport aircraft?
No, sir, I can't recall at this time.
Okay, fine. Aishwarya, tell me what are the Air Force units that are located in the Maharashtra region?
Sir, the maintenance commands, which is located in Maharashtra, sir, at Nagpur. And sir, there are many Air Force.
Maintenance command is located or headquarter of maintenance command is located?
So the headquarter of maintenance command is located in.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Also, sir, the Air Force units in Pune also, sir. In Nashik also. In Nagpur also. That's all, sir.
Nagpur, Nasik. Are you sure about Nasik?
Yes, sir. I'm sure about Nashik. I read it.
Can you tell me name of the units that is located in?
No, sir. I don't. Means I can't.
Any other place in Maharashtra where Air Force unit is established? Are you aware?
No, sir.
Thane. Are you not aware about the
Yes,
unit
sir.
located in Thane?
I can't.
Any other place if you can recall?
No, sir.
You're not aware.
No, sir.
Okay, tell me who is the district magistrate, who is MLA, who is MP, and CMO of your place, that is Aurangabad.
Sir, the DM is Mr. Sunil Chavan, and sir, the MLA is Pradeep Jaiswal. Sir, the MP is Imtiaz Jalil, Mr. Imtiaz Jalil, and sir, I am not aware about him.
Okay. Can you tell me 5 international news right now and 5 national news?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the international news is the Russia and Ukraine conflict, that Russia invaded the Ukraine, and also Russia captures the Donbass and Luhansk region. Also, sir, the India launches the mission Operation Ganga to take back the students who are of India who are in Ukraine.
Okay. You are national level basketball player.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me about the dimension of basketball court.
So the dimension of the basketball court is 90 into 50 feet, sir.
And what is distance of basketball? Distance of this
Ring.
ring.
Okay, sir. The distance of ring of basketball court is 10 feet above the ground.
Okay. And what is weight of basketball?
So the weight of basketball of number 7 is 600 grams. Sir.
Who is captain of Indian basketball team?
Sir, I am not aware about it.
Okay. So you want to carry on your this basketball as a professional sports or not?
Yes, sir. I will definitely carry on basketball as my professional course in NDA.
As you stated that you want to develop your ability in basketball to the next level.
Yes, sir.
So what is next level for you?
Sir, for the next level for me is to represent at national level through on the.
Represented national
Sir, I represent basketball at national level through my school, sir. I want to represent like through our country. So I want to represent my country.
International level.
Yes, sir.
Not national level.
Sir, at national level also.
Okay, national level also. Okay. Aishwarya, you have secured 94.8% in 10th, whereas in class 12th it is only 88.6. Why so?
Sir, in class 10, I most of focus of me is on only study. But in class 11th, I realized that I get opportunities to become a sports captain also, to become a house captain also. So I enjoyed all the responsibilities, as well as I continued my studies in class 12 during a COVID period, during a COVID pandemic, sir. I continued my study. I also prepared for JEE mains, sir. But at that time our board exams did not happen, sir, and so the average of the class 9, 10th and 11th take place, and so that's what the reason.
Okay, Aishwarya, if I ask you the combat capability of Indian Air Force, seeing the present scenario, like World War III, there's the scenario of World War III, right? And also seeing the combat capability of Indian Air Force as compared to other developed nations. What is your opinion? What are the 5 changes, modifications, upgradations Indian Air Force need to be upgraded?
Yes, sir. So the first thing which I think that Indian Air Force needs to be indigenized, through Atmanirbhar Bharat. So Indian Air Force needs to be self-reliant. It does not need to depends on the other countries.
Already, Tejas induction of other 5 missiles that were developed by DRDO, namely integrated missiles.
Yes, sir, but sir, it needs more progress, sir. And sir, the second thing that the introduction of unmanned aerial vehicles, sir. So that 2 things I can see.
Unmanned aerial vehicle India is already using.
So India is using, but it is not produced in India only.
Then what?
So India needs to be developed.
Managed to produce own UAV, then what difference it will make?
So the number of so if India produce it in own country, then the number of unmanned aerial vehicles will increases, and it helps.
That is not a big issue, I think. Tell me 5 major aspects where you need Indian Air Force to be upgraded. I'm giving you 30 seconds. You can take 30 seconds. Then you can tell.
Sorry, sir.
Who is Chief of Indian who is the Chief of Air Staff?
Sir, the Chief of the Indian Air Force is Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, AVSM, PVSM, VSM.
Only AVSM, PVSM, VSM. Are you sure about it?
Sir, I think one more gallantry is there. But I forget this.
What is VSM?
Sir, Vishishta Sena Medal.
Okay, Aishwarya, just tell me, your SSB is in Mysore. If you are not selected in this SSB, what is your next plan?
Sir, I think that I will get selected in this only, sir.
You are not selected. Then what is your next plan?
Sir, my next plan is I will analyze my problems that where I get lagged, and in the 3 years of my graduation, I will work on it, and in the CDA, and I will crack for CDS exam in first attempt, and I will join Indian Air Force.
Aishwarya, you are too much determined to join Indian Air Force, but you are lacking knowledge, basic knowledge about Indian Air Force.
Sir, I will definitely learn on this, sir.
Why you have not learned till now? As you got the sufficient time after clearing your written examination, that is I think 2-3 months. Why you haven't practiced? Why you haven't learned about the organization that you are going to join? You are having vision to join. You have dream to join. Then why you haven't practiced, and why you haven't got the exposure about the lifestyle, about the equipments, about the technology, about the environment of Indian Air Force?
Sir, I studied on it, but I think I need to improve more on it. I need to gain more knowledge about Indian Air Force. And sir, I will definitely in 2 days only. I will definitely I will definitely get complete knowledge on Indian.
Okay, in Maharashtra, how is political scenario, and what is your political stand?
Sir, the Maharashtra has a government of Uddhav Thackeray. The CM of Maharashtra is Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and sir, Maharashtra has a coalition government between Congress and Shiv Sena, sir. And sir, I'm quite satisfied with our government.
And second question?
So the political stand. Sir, till now I don't have any political stance.
What is your age?
Sir, 18.
Okay. Have you like applied for your voter ID?
Yes, I applied, but it didn't come.
Okay, so you are eligible to cast your vote,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, what is your political stand?
Sir, my political stand, I will give vote to the team, to the party who did work, who does work for the welfare of the people. So for that, sir, I will analyze that which party did best in past also, in future also, and then I will cast my vote.
What is your position in the basketball, and can you tell me any occasion where you helped your team in winning the match?
Yes, sir. The position in basketball is I played at center, and sir, the match in which I helped my team is the match of my regional level basketball, which is held at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Sir, at that time we are at the last position, and that I helped my team by putting last shot, sir.
Right. Okay. What is your strategy while playing basketball? How you make a strategy? How you plan along with your team to win the match?
Yes, sir. I planned along with my team before the match that how we select the opponent player that for defense, sir. And also we planned the strategies for offense and defense, sir. For defense, we select partners that to whom we can defend. And sir, during offense we select the positions like you have to play on that place or you have to put that place. And so also in between the match also we change our plans, sir, according to the situation.
Okay, Shreya, any other thing that you want to add? You want to say something? You want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
सुनिश्चित करें ऑफिसर काडर में भर्ती और तन पे वर्दी टीम सेंचुरियन के साथ। अपने एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करें भारत के सर्वाधिक सिलेक्शन देने वाले एसएसबी कोचिंग संस्थान सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के साथ। पाएं OIR, PPNDT, साइकोलॉजी, GTO, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, CPSS, कॉन्फ्रेंस का कंप्लीट गाइडेंस। New batch starts every Monday. Just call 97959 77776.